The P0340 code indicates a malfunction in the camshaft position sensor (CMP-A) circuit for bank 1 or a single sensor setup. This sensor, typically a Hall effect or magnetic reluctance type, monitors the camshaft's position relative to the crankshaft. The sensor is crucial for engine timing, fuel injection, and ignition systems. The Engine Control Module, ECM, triggers this code upon detecting electrical faults like a short or open circuit. Common symptoms include rough idling, stalling, reduced performance, and an illuminated check engine light. Ignoring P0340 can lead to engine damage, such as bent valves from mistimed ignition. To troubleshoot P0340, start by using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the diagnostic code. This step verifies the camshaft position sensor malfunction and helps avoid misdiagnosis. Next, test the camshaft position sensor voltage while cranking the engine. The voltage should pulse between 0.3 and 1.0 volts, indicating proper sensor function. Common fixes for P0340 include replacing the camshaft position sensor for $50 to $200, repairing damaged wiring often caused by oil leaks or rodents, and addressing underlying issues like a worn timing chain. Remember, P0340 is often a symptom of a larger timing component issue. Addressing the root cause and performing proactive checks are essential to prevent further engine damage.